And here we go. Welcome to the next video. In this episode, I'll make a review of my trades during this week. For me, this week was quite slow. There were not so much to show, but anyway, in the end of the week, I still managed to close a couple good trades. So let's go and see how I did starting from Monday. Those who saw my last video, they know that I had one trade which I left during the previous weekend. I was going to close that one in break even, and during the Asia session on Monday, market did close it like I was predicting. For those of you who want to know what was the logic behind that, you are welcome to check my last video, and besides that is quite interesting episode as I was sharing my big mistake which I did. So maybe you will see yourself in this mistake and it will help you to get some better understanding of how not to do the same thing in the future. But let's go further. So Monday and Tuesday was slow. I was not trading on this account as there were nothing interesting happening on the gold chart. Then on Wednesday, I noticed that chart is slowing down and I tried to open some positions, but none of them worked well, so I ended up all of them as a scalps, just couple dollars of profit on each. I don't think that these trades are worth discussion, so let's go on. Later on Thursday during Asia session, I got clear understanding that we are going to see a head and shoulders pattern soon. So I opened early sell positions expecting market to fall, working out the pattern, and also there were engulfing candles on H4 and M15. And what was funny, they even made a little head and shoulders on M15 during Asia. So I was pretty confident with this trade. This time everything worked just perfect and I made my week with this just one trade. The profit was around $430 and on Friday gold gave me another perfect entry after NFP news. I opened long and also opened short on British pound. Gold trade seems to be just a huge winner, so I became a little bit greedy and put in my take profit too high. But this one I'm not considering as a mistake because now we are on all-time highs on gold, so you never know how much they're gonna push the next time. And actually there were no exact targets as I was opening the trade based on price action on the M15 time frames, so there were no patterns which could give me any understanding of how much price will move. And now what I mean under the price action is several long shadows on the downside and two consecutive engulfing candles on M15. As usual in such situations, chart made certain move to the north and then dropped like a crazy without any signs of reversal, which caused closure of the positions in break even. Pound trade was not so promising, so I decided to close it in one of the bounces back as Friday was coming to the end and actually I was not really comfortable with this trade. Nevertheless, I ended Friday plus 80 something dollars, which is not that bad. Also, you may notice that I still have some trade opened, but I will explain it in the next video as this is something worth separate video. Overall, I made $447 this week and that is almost 100% from my initial deposit, so I'm happy with these results so far and I hope everything will go even better the next coming week. And that is it for today. Hope you found some value. If so, don't forget to put a like, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.